As we begin learning about specialized tissues in plants, there are three principal organs that we must understand that seed plants have, which are roots, stems, and leaves. Roots, stems, and leaves are made of tissues that produce, store, and transport nutrients and provide physical support and protection. Plant organs are groups of tissues that are all working together to perform a task. And you can see in this picture that there are three different types of tissue that these organs are made of, which are dermal tissue, vascular tissue, and ground tissue, which are identified in each of these pictures. And as you can see, all three types of tissue are present in all three organs. Roots anchor plants in the ground, holding soil in place and preventing erosion. Root systems often work with soil bacteria and fungi in mutualistic relationships that help the roots absorb water and dissolve nutrients. Roots transport these materials to the rest of the plant, store food, and hold plants upright against forces such as wind and rain. Stems. Plant stems provide a support system for the plant body, a transport system that carries nutrients, and a defensive system that protects the plant against predators and disease. Stems also produce leaves and reproductive organs such as flowers. Whatever the size of the stem, its support system must be strong enough to hold up leaves and branches. The stem's transport system contains tissues that lift water from the roots up to the leaves and carry the products of photosynthesis from the leaves back down to the roots. And that is, in this diagram, you can see the transport of water and nutrients going through the xylem tissue up and through the phloem tissue into the leaves and the stem in this diagram. Leaves are the plant's main photosynthetic organs. The broad, flat surfaces of many leaves increase the amount of sunlight plants absorb. Leaves also expose a great deal of tissue to the dryness of the air and therefore have adaptations that protect against water loss. Adjustable pores in leaves help conserve water while letting oxygen and carbon dioxide enter and exit the leaf. So you can see here that the nutrients are going up the plant, the water nutrients are going up the plant, up the stem, carbon dioxide is coming in the leaf, and oxygen is going out the leaf. And the sunlight is coming in through the leaves and the stem. And this is all done through the stomata, the entering and exiting of carbon dioxide and oxygen, which we will talk about later on in the unit.